Special ones, the finalists there, and in the next couple of minutes with the young with them, get to know more about how their time be. What if the next level for them right now because they don't level up already? Or you get me? So you can let them know the next level. We get over 100 million this smell for my body. You understand? We like come on like that. I don't to the world. I'm gonna do like that too. You don't get money for a guy they shout. Get finity. When I calm down. Yeah, I come like say with the oppress other people. No, don't worry. Sorry. Now we not be that. Love day. Anyway, sharp. Okay, you know what? Officially, Mo get to meet every one of you now. From my right side, Mo just There we go. What you saying? Ladies and gentlemen, you know as they been your boy Adekunle Lagos Alarm where some people just they run now. We don't say for Big Brother house, we got speak English. Big Brother talks anything you talk, you guys translate. But as we day for years, so we go talk as they be. It's your boy Adekunle, or rather, now your boy Adekunle. One of the finalists in the Big Brother Naija season 7 was as Big Brother address us spectacular 6. We day here now, we just talk say as we don't come out house now, maybe we follow now relate. Make tell you now waiting the solve for the house. As soon as see I'm not be really so it be. And any question where you want to ask us, we go contract Clara. You understand? Make I give out to Brian, make it not be like I want to collect job from you now. What happened? I don't want to collect a job. What happened, my people? Is your boy Brian, aka Big Baby Bree.
Yes, sir.
You understand? We first talk boy, artist way, coming on here. About to show you guys the vibe.
Long get
way. I'm pass on to my.
Big Bella. Okay, my people, make I know. Make I cap on the legit. So my name na Bella, Big Bella. I mean, I don't know this one already now. I be second runner up for PG no green you.
Oh,
so I'm the second runner up. I'm the winner, the first level 1 winner, as they call me.
See bragging right.
Okay, so I'm the second runner up, and I'm out here.
Also, the
I'm
most
ready for you
talked about housemates inside the house.
Wow, the most talked about.
Wow, you do like say you never see the doing that.
I have actually never I've not seen like a lot of things.
But they don't want you of us for you.
Not really.
They never want you.
Not yet.
We are welcome.
Thank you.
We're friendly people.
I'm ready to cap with now the legit.
Over to the next person.
Dan, it's your girl Daniela. I go try to speak pidgin. I go try the young 1 or 2, but I'm here on Naija FM, bring you guys the real energy, and then small pidgin here and there. You know the vibes.
Okay now, and the ginger, the rider. Where right to the end.
Hello guys, your boy Cheesy, the best rider, I guess.
The best rider.
If I ride,
if
I ride 102 FM when I go collect.
No, not right
If
now.
I ride the
I will get the winner for this season.
Come on.
Why you saying no? Normally I say come on body, not join body. If you join body, you collect.
Who the Zuzu?
Okay, now sit down on top chair for Naija FM 102.7 FM. Hey, now me they coffee now. You already know the vibe. The content queen, the high priestess. Normally, you don't get body, they spray perfume. I don't know what they try to do. I don't understand. So we down here today to cap on the original lady. To cap on a waiting G. Wait G.
Is you no jig?
Jig die. We don't put for last. Anyway, we all know so I get amazing time inside the house, and I believe say una pick 1 or 2 inside. In fact, from the beginning to the end, to remember for that house not be joke. Una need to appreciate God and also appreciate una fans when keep una there. You get. But if I want us right now, what will be the highlights of una time inside the house? And as una come outside right now, what una wish to say, I wish I know I would have done this
differently.
Okay, more start from
Adekunle. Yeah,
how many of the tasks we do where you watch? Okay,
I
wait.
watch, no, I always watch the aftermath when they quit verse. When they catch. I know verse.
You see the one of that Super Commando?
Yeah, no, I know something I watch.
Okay, so see that Super Commando one, I win her. As cheesy we say, EG. Then they can't get one way we do with techno.
Yeah.
Hey, you see that video? Bella Colette. We did the same thing. How do we say it? EG.
Okay.
Then you get that same week.
Yeah.
They get one way we do with Pocket by Piggy Verse. Daniela, make her just talk another. He don't get one pocket where we been do. Where we know win. They can't laugh us. Now Fina team be win down because you know say she just can't hold body sell the market. They can't they laugh us. We can't do pocket again. We can't win now. I carry first. Daniela carry second. I will go to talk am. The one way pay me. The one way pay me. Now that storm this thing. Because I know to the fee find that day. But they spray am at the top say I sabi all this. But I say okay. It's okay because why? Now my boy me. So they know him as Hermes, but me I call him Hemi. Hemi win up. So EG, you get me?
Highlights like high point for inside the house, right?
Yes, those were my highlights. People got asked me a couple of times, and one time in the house, and I didn't answer properly. So I said, whenever I get asked again, I'll correct it. Yes, those were my highlights in the house.
Oh, okay.
As Big Brother said, appreciate your wins, Adekunle.
My highlights now pool party.
Come on.
I talk my highlights now pool party. Everybody do shift. Now that time I feel body.
So I had like several high points in the house. I would say I had an interesting one, exciting ones.
Which one you feel?
The tasks, because
the tasks too.
Yes, I always look forward to the tasks because it's always like really boring in there. So you always look forward to like what's the next thing.
Okay.
But right now it's all about my brand. I'm speaking about like high points
highlights,
in the house.
yeah.
Highlights.
So the relationship not just highlights.
The tasks.
The tasks
really
are your high
interesting and
points.
really nice, yeah.
We'll come back.
My high points were definitely the task. Winning just gave me, extra confidence.
Okay.
Yeah. Low points. Just those days where you just feel off balance. Just feel you miss home and all that. Yeah, those were just like low points.
Okay. Cheesy. And when you win car.
When you find the
No, normally my highlight in that house normally general is business. You get anything concerns money, they put full energy.
We know where you come from.
I demand business edge to edge. If I want you edge to edge, so I dey put body.
Okay.
But finally, as I dey enter house, I don't say I no carry woman for mine. Maybe I say I don't dey carry woman, they come out. So we follow for highlights.
Hey, I am mate. So normally, every single moment of my life for Big Brother house na highlights. Every day, from day 1 till day 72, na pure highlights. You not get there where they boring, except say I tire or they hungry, and I they cook. So I go chop. Every blessed day na highlights for me. No, not the cap nonsense. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. You understand? According to what you call me, full package.
All right, still talking about the food right now. The basbos wey happen between you and Bella that time. Is there other deeper issue there on ground or na just really the food na cause the basbos?
Well, I no go talk say because say Bella sit down here now, no cap legit.
Be careful with your legit.
You want pity? We don't talk again. Give me to us.
You did just got about violence.
You go wrong.
I surrender.
Okay.
She will beat me black.
On top of that food matter that very day. I no go lie. Some kind small thing don't fit the ground where I don't fit the verse follow she and her bobo that time for the house. And the thing be said then some kind, we're not too, but now when show don't end, when we remain small, now me and Bella, everybody come there. Yes. So that time with a quick catch fault for their body where they'll do something, we'll say, this thing not jig now. So that day after Richard don't stand hours, cook food, on those things later I can't understand the story, but then I just put body, you understand? You're normal.
Just put body for waiting no concern am.
Very sweet. And you know the sweetest part. You know the sweet as I put mouth waiting no concern me, so you don't go do anything.
I don't fit do anything now.
No. Until say she just carry the food, just come pour and pay me because me self I be cook. Okay. And if no say na me that kind of thing happen to. Aye. Oh. Yes, I just be the para say why you go pour the food. And there my problem be really there.
But right now I did good.
Yeah, no.
Big not close that answer.
Bella.
We are very cool.
Now, if we say, yeah, you get your relation inside the house Groovy, and I believe say now we don't win 100 million. You see the reason Groovy side?
Normal. For now.
Yes.
It's on the low. Me I check my 100 million first. So no, we're not using on dump on. No, point of correction. I not collect Groovy.
They say you may go toast person. Amaka say go toast this boy because he get friend not come money house.
Hellos, Amaka won't get boyfriend for 2 levels. And as a matter of fact, with proof, I not collect the guy. The guy bring he said, tell me, say make me be in girlfriend.
And I said, don't be.
No man, I go put body, you understand? So for the 100 million matter, the 100 million day and it plenty, so I feel still share with Groovy. But just that this my 100 million, I want chopper in private. I don't want. No, now they talk. So we want chopper for grounds. We don't want loud down. You understand?
So on a serious note, that side anything big when you feel say if it happen between you and Groovy, because we know say you para for the last party when it happen. Because if you say it kind of like ignore you, it will beauty too. Yeah.
Even Amaka
too ignore you. Yeah, and we see the reaction.
Yes, that one because say me. Even if I get issue with you, I know there's a big matter for mind. I go clear them. Now me go clear you. Now me will still come follow you package. You know, beat me. If you still do on the inside that packaging period, you still collect again. So the Groovy matter now for outside here. Me and now we don't but we not to talk like that, Shabo. So we don't conclude say okay like this. More we check as it go. So maybe the thing just very press because the tension choke.
But one small advice I need to be that right now be say if we not decide really move things, not forget shippers go support you now and una go also receive more gifts. You don't work for former housemate.
Yes,
but now why you say they go pretend to their relationship for like 1 year just to collect here, which go benefit you now to also put money for you.
Now really good advice, special advisor.
No, but you see that shippers thing. Now that one go. Now we not want. We not want. Yes, so because we can't manage ourselves. So we not want. That's why we say maybe we just deal like say we not deal. We not want. We just deal.
Daniela,
yes,
make her come to you first before we come to the big Bella. So for inside the house,
yes,
we've been noticed that the moment you get a relationship with somebody, the next Sunday they don't come out for house.
Guys,
say now you be black sheep.
No jigo.
So we call the watch for house, can't they? Things here I think they happen. Khalid. Before we know, evicted.
Feel like they don't get votes now.
So
no votes for them now.
People when think fast, they talk say, what's going on? Although we thank God for Adekunle, I say at least the day there too. Although
you don't see my head, he's strong.
You carry your gume follow body.
So some of the people where me I know we watch and to where we come say when Daniela come, help us ask her say why it be like that. Say the moment he shook leg for inside relationship, they evict them.
That's shown a game, and our viewers they vote.
Okay.
So it be like say they don't get votes.
So not be say concern.
No, say consign me.
Relationship.
They were up. Votes, no votes. They come outside. You know see outside. They shout say why in there outside. No be me now. You now I beg vote for them.
But between you and Adekunle, you feel say rating fees up now outside the house.
Real friendship fees up. You don't stop already now.
No, friendship now normal. When I had asked that question, I want to talk about friendship relationship now.
Friendship na relationship. Friendship na ship.
Daniela, do like this.
Hey, what you saying?
So you agree to Adekunle?
To what? Say we go be friends.
No, to any like not.
If you want the relationship, you not go be friend first.
Okay. Well, not be friend already.
They ask you now.
Friendship now.
Friendship self na relationship.
Relationship.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we'll wait till reunion, sha.
never can tell.
Now who gets talk go talk?
Normally.
Big Bella. So I want to ask you one next question right now.
I want to talk something before you ask me that question.
Oh yeah, no.
Put my no more. Yeah, put my money in for life.
I know pour rice, so. I tell you what to happen.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, talk your own. Hey.
I know pour rice.
Okay.
I did my own. By it begin. I go carry food. One put for table. Now table I won't put them on. Her hand come do like this.
So now raise your hand do like that.
Raise your hand.
Somebody intentionally pour.
I know intentionally pour.
Now, as the fire they hot that day, the rice be like waiting Bella through it. But when everywhere come that Big Brother play cassettes, we can't say and say raise your hand do like this. So now if
you react at what happen, that is.
That see the hot stay they switch now.
Okay, so Big Bella, don't be you throw away.
Not be me.
Now on a serious note.
Intentional act.
Okay, on a serious note.
Okay.
How true you go talk say your relationship with Shegs be? Because even when Shegs come last time, it was like he started.
Yeah, so my baby, everywhere.
Because now plan now where this side people that I
will send invitation for that
wedding. Like you are a princess, Mr. and Mrs. Ikoyi, and you say Ikoyi one day somebody don't become king, somebody don't become queen. When they want to say when this our king or queen wants to come tell us announcement. But on a serious note, waiting you and Shares game. You feel say they real because somehow my bless say hinder you from really relating with other housemates. Now so relationship they be.
That's why I hear.
Now let me say if you there among single people, the moment you get boyfriend, all of them will beef you because they feel say you know they follow their relate. Because you don't share your time. You get so if you tell us.
I would say I made a couple of friends and I related to the housemates as much as I can or I could. Because I'm not the most friendly person. Although people see me as friendly. But I'm not the most friendly person. I would love to be friends with people, but like I don't know how to go about it. So inside the house, like whatever you saw inside the house was my reality, my truth, and that was me.
Those your quarreling and everything, and so you be for real life.
I for even do more self.
Big Bella.
I don't take nonsense.
Like for all those big. Don't try me. You are low intelligent. You are this and that, so you really be for real life.
Not be like that. Real life, I not feel they fight like that in real life now. Where I want, I not feel they go beat me.
No,
they go beat me. I not get energy.
Okay, we know say Big Brother like representation of waiting a lot of people they go through in the normal life. And you know say when you person they in love, they ignore some red flags. We could say, okay, I dey in love. So that day we be say Ebuka call out Shegs, one of those Sunday eviction. Okay. We point out about the off and on, the bad booze, what they did between both of you. Okay, I'm not doing it again. Don't call me back. Don't do this, don't do that. That time, you hearing the noises from the background so of people, calling your name. That moment, how you feel?
I can't even describe it. The next day I didn't work out. That was like the first time I didn't go out to work out. I cried all night. I was really down. I was really sad because I always said it like people misjudge me a lot. I'm a very kind person. I'm just outspoken. I'm just blunt and confident. But it could be seen as being rude. But I'm not rude at all. So being in there, like I was always like thinking about like how much people would not like me for some reason. So hearing my name like that, I'm just like, okay. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. So then I'm just like, okay, it's a wrap. I'm leaving.
But after that time, a lot of people say Shegs actually changing behavior towards the relationship towards you.
I don't understand.
For the call out, now I don't get some fights already before that time. So I say people where they watch can't notice. Say after the call out of Ebuka on top Shegs, say Shegs change a bit, as in when our fight reduce a bit compared to.
I think the relationship was very good.
Okay.
I would say that no relationship is perfect.
Yeah,
everybody
we all go through these things.
No, like the one where your Shegs go through.
I don't know what they talk.
No, we watch out for TV now.
Okay, so I talk say no relationship they perfect.
Okay, in all sincerity,
we have siblings that are married. Yeah. We have our parents.
Yeah.
Sometimes our mom will even leave the house and say she know they do it again. Somebody will go back and she will come back. Because being in a confined space is really hard and difficult. And getting to know someone is really hard and difficult in there.
Okay, you know what?
So whatever happened.
You know,
Okay, why?
Or why they react like that. Some people they come the day of the opinion say, oh, for this kind of relationship, you suppose go meet somebody where you want. But now you come in the talk say it was all good, like okay, but now your type of vibe. Now it be that which I will get to understand because every individual day. You get some people like the toxicity, some people like the lovey, some people you get. So me hearing around now, okay, be like say, oh, maybe this one not really concerned people when they feel say you're not supposed to do that relationship. It was all good for you. So me all of us shut up.
I don't understand which one on the talk.
After this talk, I tell you something.
I tell you.
Okay. That means that
I don't understand. No, I don't know what in the talk. I don't understand which one on the talk. Really? I don't understand. I really don't understand.
All right.
I don't drum near her.
So we notice, say for inside the house, you say you do bad boys, but most of your people where they do bad boys, we are the female housemates. So people come there and say, why we say now female housemates, you be always get.
So everybody thinking that because they don't agree for you.
Yes, who don't go grief for me? Are you fine, boy? I beg. That one a carpins. Na carpins be that. I beg.
Throughout your time for the house, no get green.
Carpins. See me, I be full package. See now.
So why you say that females?
See your boy. Na carpins.
Okay, never see the full package.
I beg. Carpins, that na carpins. Forget that.
But why you quarrel with the girls then?
I not been the only quarrel babes now. I quarrel with Hemis. Immediately we quarrel, we settle. Babe own if we and now get quarrel now, she go hold it in for body for like 5 days. Why they carry me for mine now, baby girl? I don't carry you for mine. Okay. You understand? I know they carry anybody for mine. Me and Fina we go rack them out. If you rack them, no be we day like this today. Stop on now. You just get 1 or 2 people they carry things for mine. I know they carry things for mine. I be boy of joy. I beg. If you get to know me, you will love me. That's just the truth. All those man no cap too much. No worry.
Okay. Oh, who you for like? I wish relationship. Who you for like get that relationship with inside the house?
Relationship.
All those cuddle. All of us know what it is.
Cuddle. No, but like I don't know. I mean, they cuddle quite a couple of people. Quite a couple of people. So where all these the house cold, that place cold though. See, you go on like that on top bed. Even the divo cold.
Brian.
Even the divo cold.
Brian, you the tomahawk too much.
I beg
tomahawk too much.
It's
mouth dey pain am.
Guy,
if you want do anything na modella. We don help am.
I don't make the rules.
Okay.
Now your friend.
Yeah, na Daniela friend.
Okay, but not true.
I don't know.
Myself, no. I don't know.
You know they talk.
I don't know.
So Chizzy, sharp right now. As a rider, you feel say you do the work where they send you go do the 100.
I nailed it. It was a rap.
You nailed it.
It was a rap. I finished work.
Because most of the time you intentionally want to press people body, like medicine just bust out. At a point, they're not cold. Like we're not cold at any point.
And they talk on immediately they.
No, but
they do. They will not say fake housemates. They will they VDG. I begin talk and say she's in a fake housemates. I started saying, they talk on. That's why if you
talk
check,
but
if they want they enter me most times, I know they talk. So you see that very day where I enter around because of Groovy matter when one they cap nonsense. Now the first time where I really quarrel with, like the thing, it struck me that they say the boy na better instigator. I can't know say there's something behind cheese now where that I get in time.
For me, I no talk back. Now you dey insult me, I no talk.
You no go fit. I go tension you.
You no go tension me. I on your mumu button. Now your mumu button why on that day? I on your mumu button begin the. I just keep quiet.
Someone that called me a thief and a cookie.
Well, I beg. Apologies. You know me.
See Bella for like 2 days. A cookie they trend. Twitter.
I beg.
A cookie. I say Bella don't suffer.
This is pay me.
He call you
I beg. I use your regular. Maybe we did it. Let's do it. That's how I go to beg now. Let's do it. I beg.
I got one question for you.
All right, bring it on.
You know, say when you win the Sun car, IVM Connect car. I mean, Adekunle be tell you say some people are not happy about this your win.
Yes, I remember for dining. I did for dining.
Yes. So
no, Adekunle will go ask. So no, I don't know the person.
Let me they ask now.
Okay, Adekunle answer.
So people are not happy.
Make I relay the question back to you. How many people can congratulate you? Kappa.
But una full my car now.
They go full your car now. But the question where
everybody
I ask you, now me enter front first. Enter front lap chichi. Every other person.
So who you they actually
Bella no enter guy. No me say Bella no.
Me and Nam sit down together. I just reason Nam say me and Nam go together, and he was feeling bad. I say my brother.
Bella is tired. She was tired.
I don't go lie. Back been depending some people. That task he
had.
He had. Back been depending people.
Just sit down for floor. Just do like this.
Moving forward right now, new level. Whether you like or not, Big Brother is one of the biggest platform for the continent of Africa. 1 week there be like say we don't know you for like 2 years or 4 years.
Yes,
you get the fan base, and not just so artists they jealous now. Let's be sincere. They jealous. Brian go know what they talking about now. If Brian go check his stream right now, mad.
Yes,
which I believe say your team supposed to tell you because that platform don't give you that leverage already. So what next for now? Right now, I know say 100 million. No, they don't give you your 50 million cash already now. You don't tell your account.
Daddy.
I know I made they rob me a bit. But I did with my I thought they match up. Bro, as they give me a match up from Ikeja to Island.
Let's go.
What
you saying?
Come on.
I match and that's why I fold them a big guy. I was stay remote of fool.
So being the second female, yes now, second female has. Now, Messi be first, so you be second though. And from Edo State for that matter, your local government are where again?
Igweben local government.
When they speak your language, like, why you not really proud?
The thing be say, no, the thing I get different. I dey speak, I speak out Chigbe, I dey chop am, I dey chop my language, I dey chop Yoruba, I dey like it too much. I'm African.
African, so she carry rapper enter also.
I no go tell rapper one time.
First one I go see carry rapper go out.
Yes, nah, I carry rapper. Yes, nah.
No worry, your brother like women on rapper. Yeah, I don't
it's actually sexy.
Yeah.
No, let me say it's sexy. It's just the easy.
You are a man.
Easy to unfold.
I'll give you one big. So, Fina, what waiting then next for you right now? Because a lot of expectation, they always did the winner of Big Brother. But they say, oh, wait till she want to prove herself. Wait till she want to remain for the scene. We don't have to say you be high princess. Yes. It would they possible mean they go club, see they hype?
Now why did they call me superstar high priestess?
Oh.
Now if you want me to come short down, bar go drop now.
Okay,
Better bar. So right now, I want to carry this my hyping thing international. I want to do them in Africa, Nigeria. I just want to do in another way, in a grand style.
Make it jig.
With touch of other, you know, say that they say I did multi-talented now. Not be say they say he did with all those ones, but you see the hype thing at the front time. I carry for it like today bread, fresh.
Oh yeah, nah.
Yeah,
you go do one hype for us now before we ask the same question.
Oh yeah, nah. All right, hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have on me the original, fantastic, sexy lady, Big Bella herself. Big Bella say if you don't get money to buy tonight, they go your house a bed. Big Bella say tonight we they buy only expensive bottles. She say if your head not fit carry highness, they go your house because she's about to spoil you. Wahala for sexy ladies. In case you don't know, Big Baby Breeze.
Come on.
What you saying, dog?
What you saying?
Big Baby Breeze talk say if you know me, you're gonna love me better. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about time to spend money. The Big Brother Naija level up housemate.
Level up.
Without day to come there, you know pressure.
Nice one.
So Adekunle go right now.
Adekunle waiting. The God I told you is beg you. I beg. Everybody for that house they come Adekunle. Adekunle go they were in jail. Adekunle go they were in our bed. I beg. Just Adekunle.
So right now, some people don't say. Like say you get that passion for acting based on your voice, you get. So we go see you for that area. I be now that area.
I be you go come join us on radio.
If you want make a day film, call me. If you want make a drive down for, call me. As I do like this, but you see the one where I want
pressure inside.
It's politics matter for Nigeria. It's politics matter for Nigeria.
And you go jig.
And
you be island boy.
I be island boy.
You get connection to Jack.
No, but that one
you
aside.
Political party.
Maybe just
no. Just ask her whether you get connection to Jack.
No. But maybe leave connection aside.
But politics,
maybe
we
leave connection aside.
For that area.
Things supposed to happen.
Okay.
You don't need to be in office, but things supposed to happen.
Okay.
Brian, we don't know you as an artist already.
You
we don't pick up of your record
vibes,
even before you move into the Big Brother house. So what's in the next for you right now?
Normally, I go to drop more songs,
Okay.
pursue the creativity, that kind of vibe. I go to give them
Hot now.
hot, as they saw.
Big brain.
Big baby brain.
Big belly.
That's mine now.
Hi.
That's mine now. We're not too tension today. That's
Hey, I
mine.
don't laugh tired if you don't see me. Okay, so I just realized that. I realized a few months ago that I'm actually multi-talented. I could go into modeling.
Okay.
I could, be an actor, and
I think you say you're very actor.
I'm also he's an actor. I am also a businesswoman, so it's all about making money for me.
Making the moolah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now.
Okay.
Daniela.
I did try 50 pidgin, they come home.
Hey, just speak
But what's next for me is the poetry. That's why the pidgin is tough. So more poetry, more spoken word pieces. Okay. My business, logistics. You guys should get ready. We'll make your delivery so much more faster.
Okay.
Okay, Cheesy.
I'm still on still. I love still.
Okay.
Still iron, still.
Yeah.
Okay, still on
so
still.
I was into iron. So I'm still on still business. I'm still on still business.
But they can go a larger.
So, you go big. In Yalabaja people, they don't reach. They don't beg. In Yalabaja, they come. But big nasty get me. Me wanna wait. I go lap. Una hear. So still on still, but I'm open for every other thing. Every other just turn on my kappa. I go come.
Okay.
Oh yeah, now last final words to all your fans, them, and even to DSTV, to Big Brother, and every other person.
A last word for them.
Oh yeah, now Fina.
Well, normally for me, until saying a Big Brother make this thing possible. Normally, since they born me till now, money way past 500K never touched my account before. But look at me today. Don't be lying.
100 million.
Don't be lying. Like, what you saying though? Hey, come on. So all the sponsors, the associate sponsors, when make the Big Brother jig, I want to tell them thank you. Then to all the Fee Nation, I never get time since I'm not acting busy, bro. I adapt to the life.
Yes, sir.
I love you all, like all of them turn up, and normally the way I want to come and contact on, I go shock on.
Oh yeah, now.
Yeah.
Just to add and share every other person question. Thank you.
Yes.
You get one question. Who used the highest number of condom inside the house? Just mention the person name and move on. They don't fit to anything.
Wait. Make I cap you the legit. Though we be Gen Z, we not knock for that house. We break records. No, they lie.
Very true.
And they do things on top bed. They go be like say my waist they shake. That one now they call smooching. Cuddling, platonic, yes.
So normally me start stuff. I tell everybody, say as we enter this place cold. No, they do platonic cuddling. You understand? You don't me say anything. You don't me say anything. They stop. You can just cuddle.
They look you.
No. Wait till I be one talk. Say make una know. Say some. Not everything you see is really what is happening. You people need to understand that though, because waiting they saw for inside the house, no be waiting really they saw.
So now they play something for
I'm not calling anybody name, but I'm just saying,
nobody knock for us.
Nobody knock.
We just cuddle.
Condom when people that give us complete.
If anybody not touch through, you supposed to be touch through.
No, wait. Instead of
confirm that for you guys.
Instead of use the word ends.
Now wait till I know I go talk.
Wait. Men are you cheat on you? Chichonyo, nobody do chichonyo.
No chichonyo stuff for the place. Now just aggressive cuddling and platonic cuddling.
When we enter house for level 2, Big Brother give us 21 condom. Now, when our other things come for the second week, Big Brother come add 18 condom put.
Why you dey count am?
No, when they come launch, come make sure say it complete. So when they don't measures, Big Brother can't reduce the condom because inside say we not they use the old one. I'm telling you true, bro. Brian, not like.
Very correct.
Yes, no, we dey count on. Yes, no, Big Brother come they reduce. No. Now we blow balloon because we want play pens, but they not we bring blow. Because people will try condom whether the thing go the boss. Now there we say open one, I come be the -1.
Cheesy, tell me the truth.
You see, for instance, we no believe say they no knack.
No
chichonyo. Outside the house. Chichonyo.
That is
okay, chichonyo. Inside house.
Okay.
Me, I go even swear say they no knack.
No.
But as I did come out,
Cheesy.
I can't they see clip where they be like say they knack. I see clip where they like say they knack. I say you like say
Cheesy, that's it.
Social media handle.
yeah. But that chichonyo, I know.
Cheesy.
Okay. Hey, as we all know, on another say my social media handle for Instagram, TikTok, and all of them now at Unusual Fin. I'll try make you follow me. You can enjoy legit entertainment.
For everybody, we don't see all my different characters for Big Brother House, and you want to see them more for Instagram now. Official Adekunle Olopade. That's OFFICIALADEKUNLEOLOPADE. I know say it long, but if you just go Instagram, just type Adekunle. I know this again. You go come out. Just follow down for Twitter now. Adekunle Olopade. Maybe just they follow each other. Maybe they relate.
If you get to know me, you love me. That is why you should know me on at Brian only, BRYANN only, because I'm the only Brian with 2 N's.
Okay, Big Bella.
But why don't they follow us this year now? Will I say following this year? They too slow.
Problem for Naija be too much.
I bet gonna follow us. We don't level up. We don't change. I bet gonna follow us. Anyways, on Instagram you can reach me. You can find me on which kind of English with this one now? Please, on Instagram, my handle is Bella Okabwe, TikTok Bella Okabwe, Snapchat Bella Okabwe, Twitter Bella_Okabwe. Please follow, comment, and subscribe when you need to. Thank you.
Okay. Daniela, sharp.
Follow me on Instagram at DanielaPeters_official. Same thing about that. Social media pages. Thank you guys.
Okay. Cheesy, sharp.
A rider with a ride. A rider with a ride. Follow a rider with a ride with Cheesy Official 1. Cheesy Official 1. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Wishing us success and more success on top this new level when we say when I do.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.